Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest and trendy simple audiowork blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we know that simple audiowork blouse design is a most popular traditional blouse decorated with light and heavy elegant hand embroidery done using a vessel needle called the Ari needle. This type of simple aardwork blouse design feature minimal design, not too heavy or flashy, making it perfect for daily wear, small function, festival and engagement. Friends, this kind of simple aardwork blouse design, delicate fine embroidery threadwork done with precision, commonly use silk thread, cotton thread or sari thread. Friends, this kind of simple aardwork blouse design contains light motif like small flower, leaves, peacock, etc. This kind of simple artwork blouse design subtle some embellishment including beads, sequins, stone, mirror. Friends, simple artwork blouse stands as a beautiful blend of traditional outfit and modern minimalism, rooted in rich India heritage. The Ari embroidery technique add a crazy and subtle design to the blouse without overwhelming the overall look. Friends, unlike heavy bridal blouse, the simplicity of this style make it highly attractive, suitable for everyday wear, festival event and semi-formal occasion. Friends, the simple artwork blouse design feature adorned with basic embroidery done using the Ari technique. The traditional hand embroidery method using a hooked needle called an Ari. It's commonly used in Indian ethnic wear to add elegance and attractive look. Friends, this kind of simple artwork blouse design, it's so simple. It keeps the blouse lightweight and comfortable. This kind of blouse design ideal for all kind of simple and special occasion. Sometimes this kind of blouse paired with small embellishment like sequins, thread work, beads, stone, mirror work for touch of shine without making it too heavy. The simple artwork blouse design add fineness and beauty to the blouse, making a plain saree look beautiful and attractive. Friends, you can customize the simple artwork blouse based on your preference. You can personalize the design like floral, geometric, threadwork, artwork, etc. The place and the thread color to match your style and taste. Friends, simple artwork blouse design are ideal when you want to something graceful but not too heavy. This kind of simple artwork blouse design perfect for minimalistic fashion lover. Friends, this kind of simple artwork blouse design is not heavily embroidered. Remains comfortable for long wear while still looking stylish. Friends, the simple artwork blouse are timeless addition to any traditional wardrobe. Its delicate embroidery enhances the overall outfit without overcoming the entire look, making it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasion. With its design, comfort, and style, it stands out as a graceful choice for anyone who appreciates classic, understated fashion. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.